is that? I don't want that. But I just click. Anyway, y'all don't think it's odd that like out of nowhere, like they, they were so bent on this bill, right? This COVID bill. And then out of nowhere, right on the 31st, they approved it or whatever date it was. And people like because I'm a veteran, I'm an ex-military veteran, right?
Yeah.
And I'm in the system already. Mine hit like as soon as they approved it. Like I'm not getting off the deep end. I'm saying it's kind of like this stuff be already set up, but
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
feed us like that happened too fast. You know what I'm saying? Like for the type of things they say they run into, the problems they claim to run
Yeah.
into. Oh, we just can't get them out fast enough. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's just, I mean,
Right.
I
Right.
hope y'all feel where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that makes sense.
You know
Like,
what I'm saying?
yeah, it's like smoke, mirrors, and then boom, here we go. You know?
Yeah, man, and that's what I'm gonna say. If I was y'all, right, they got this. Let me look on. We'll go over some stuff. I mostly been looking at like Bitcoin, US 30, the US pairs been moving. Remember, that's why I was like, let's look at them. They've been moving, as y'all can see. I was looking for a scalp earlier on UCAD, and it activated while I was making a decision about it, and then it blew way past like right here. Like I was
Uh-huh.
gonna take a like right in this area right here. I saw them ranging right, and I saw my spread was only like 1.6, so I was gonna try to take a nice size scalp. It's only like 7 pips. I was
Yeah.
just gonna do it just to because I've been playing with other
Yeah.
stuff all day, so I was just gonna do something quick, man. And then they shot up. They went bum 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 bum. You see what I'm saying? And
Yeah.
then this is I don't know if y'all remember. Uh, remember I was showing y'all this thing right here. This is old. I had drew up. Remember that?
Yeah.
Remember we was like if it buy it'll do that or whatever. Well, you see, I drug this other 4 hour here that I had already had drawn up, and you see how they like pretty much came right back to it and played within it. You see that?
Yeah.
No, I don't want this confused, y'all. See what I'm saying? And I drew this one from here, from back here, but I just
Right.
drug it across because they respected it still. I mean, you could do a new one, you know what I'm saying? But it's just this is why I drag them across sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Because you'll find that it still correlate heavily.
Yeah. It goes
Just
back to
like,
the same price.
huh?
Yeah. It goes back to the same price.
Exactly. And look at this. Now this at the 50 retrace right here. This 15-minute tipping point I drew from back here sometime. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then you can see if it line up. If it don't, then just make a new one and start from scratch. You can still eat either way, but you know what I'm saying? It, it
Yeah.
it'll line up like that. But yeah, they pretty much blew past. I was trying to scalp this little area here, and they like, you see what I'm saying? I was trying to catch like those 7 pips, and they ended up going before I could blink an eye. Uh,
Yeah.
they shot like I think it was like right here. You see what I'm saying? And it wasn't news or anything. And that's why the US 30 was coming down.
Right.
Yeah, but anyway,
Can't
yeah,
you
huh?
can't you go for a retrace on the on UCAD on the 4 hour?
Yeah, for sure. Let me see. Yeah, for sure. I would look to catch it. I would see how I play here.
Mm-hmm.
Catch that. I mean, it's lined up perfectly. So yeah, you know what? Let's look at it. Let's see. If it look like something, we'll make it do what it do. I mean, because you do got all this.
The wicks, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, you do have that. I mean, so you could play it to that tipping point. I mean, you'll just have to definitely make sure they don't, well, make sure they don't, see how they play the hour retrace, I guess,
Mm-hmm.
and, ride it to here. That would actually be a decent trade. Uh, let me see. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, and they already, you see what I'm saying? They already playing this zone perfectly. So it wouldn't hurt to, I mean, we try to, find the tipping point, but it definitely wouldn't hurt to see, to put something at that zone. Actually, hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. I've been up. Yeah, I've been up and I've been running and went to the gym twice. And I got this CBD, this Delta 8. So
Right.
I mean, I just found something to kind of make this make sense to where we can be like, oh, it's some kind of tipping point here. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I would say this is another one of those to kind of watch the line a little bit because they still can hit the hour retrace and like they hit this retrace on the 15. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They hit the 15 retrace basically. And so it wouldn't hurt to put in something right here and see how it, you know what I'm saying, see how it plays out. Yep. See how it plays out. So I tell you what we can do is, and that's the make sure there's no real, not really. I mean, in a sense, because this is the retrace, it'll be we'll have to see it clear like this, right? Well, yeah, I'll say because of all this right here, like you'll definitely want to see how it play when it get to like. Let me see. We got to do how many pips is this? So it's 11 pips. So we can do like what's 12. So we can do like 3 pips. Keep it smooth, right? And then see how they handle that. I mean, because at the most, if you don't like how they plan that price action, I don't let your emotions throw you off, right? But you can still close with some kind of profit. Because that, oh, dang, hold on. Because like that, you know what I'm saying? Like that's on the hourly.
Right.
And that's a lot of momentum. However, y'all have seen how they'll do that and they'll do a little snatch and then they'll pull. So, that's why I said you'll definitely want to and then the fact that it's Monday.
Yeah.
But for now, you know what? Let's do this. Let's put in what we want to do and keep track. And this will be one trade. We'll keep. Hey, way to go on that, man. Because I mean, we see this stuff all the time, but that is something we can definitely get going. All right, so we'll do like 3 pips. G. That's fine. So it'll be like 2765. 276. No, 27. We gotta be specific. So 2765. 66. My bad. I keep getting these alerts. We'll do 27657. 27657. 27657. And this may be one of those cases where they come down and then come back up, and then you may think, oh, let me close it and let me see if I need to re-enter. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So like, you know, there's gonna be some that's gonna just be like so juicy. You like, oh shit. Yo, is everybody in? And then we'll do what is this to? My bad. Watch that. If I was y'all, what I would do is I would set an alert on my thing to when it hit that price point, so I can just keep an eye on it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then if you see they closing with momentum and better, then just let it go. But if you see them like impulse in the opposite direction and close like that, then hop out if you got to, and then reassess and get back in. Like you don't have to like suffer and like cut your risk. And I mean that metaphorically. Like you don't have to commit suicide. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I know it's a challenging time, so excuse my words, but y'all know what I mean. Don't harm yourself. And P, especially with it being news, and TP can be, because this would be pretty much there. Yeah, that'll be dope. You can do TP on 274 2747. Seven. Oh, not TO. TP at what I said, 2747.
Yeah, I think so.
That one you can kind of just do like that. All right, cool. That sound good?
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool. And you may even see, let me see. Especially like around this area right here, they may come, especially like right here, they may come like right here and start rejecting heavy. You see that big wick? So it may get to about 14, 15 before it start playing around. And that's not bad either. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we go for longer and more, obviously, but don't feel no type of way if it do. It's 30. Yeah. Actually, let me do the same. saying. Yeah. Putting this in. Oh yeah, well, let me not forget. Y'all look at y'all pound. Look at the like the British stock exchange you can trade. I'm gonna tell y'all what it is in a minute because I was just looking at it.
All right.
Like the UK 100 and stuff like that.
Yeah, the FTSE 100.
Yeah, and like watch that because what they're doing is that stuff moving with hope for the vaccine and stuff. And the first round of the vaccine is supposed to be going out in the UK. So watch y'all market and see how they feeling towards it, and see, go on, set you up some tipping points, find some of those structures, and kind of see what they might do. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to put your real money, but trade it because you may find a surprising result. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know.
Makes sense.
What is this? UCAD. And then keep in mind too, back on the UCAD, they both have news this week. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So Daddy's working. Yeah, I'll let you know if I get finished. Sales stop. Right. So it's supposed to be at 1.2767. Hey Benji, you here?
Yeah, bro, I'm here. You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. Okay. We're gonna talk to y'all about this challenge too, man. Now that he on here.
Zaya, come here.
I'm about to come out there.
7. Okay, I just put my order in too with y'all, so we'll see that.
UCAD?
Huh?
For UCAD?
Yeah, on you. Y'all don't have to necessarily put it in yet. Just watch it, and if you see it's going that way, then we'll do it. But looking at all this, man, I mean, it's kind of like,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's set up to drop.
Yeah. And then the way they like I found this 15. It was a big 10 point, but it's 15 here, and it's in the zone. You see how they playing within both. So it's like double indicator. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So that's why y'all see me overlap some stuff sometimes, where it may look kind of funny, but that's why I do. Okay, let's see what's going on here. That's the 4 hour. Let me see what was it daily. Oh yeah, look. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Remember what I told y'all those normally do? When you see the wick, that much wick on it. Like it's gonna, I mean, it could just push now, but normally that just mean they gonna stall out. So it wouldn't be foreign for them to come back. Let me see, where's the retrace? It wouldn't be foreign for them to come back down somewhere. But I'm definitely gonna watch it because that's what we got. Huh? Whatever. Man. Yeah, and then this is the weekly. This what happened on the weekly. So they may do this retrace here, but it may be more proof that they're gonna play around you know, in this little area right here. So, hey, can y'all hear my people in the background? I hope you're not too loud. It's because they're about to eat.
No, you good.
Yeah, you're good.
So we'll keep watching this, and just keep in mind. Let me leave a note for sure, because it's giving us like two stories here, right? On the 4 hour, you know, we got this momentum. We obviously looking for the retrace.
Mhm.
Daily has this momentum too, with a lot of wick to the top. Let me see. Let me count it up. 21 pip wick. That leaves room for them to come down a little bit for sure. Okay. All right, thank you. All right, so all right, cool. So we got that. So we know. Wait a minute. Let's do this. This here. Hopefully they'll shoot up like they did before. Let's see. Thank you. I guess I'm. Thank you. Hey, was anybody still in this trade?
Nah.
You twist.
No, not me.
I took
No.
profit already. Been took profit.
Hey, Mike, you were still in it, right?
I was, and then I got out. I think I hold on, let me see.
That's why I was saying I wouldn't. That's why I was telling you I wouldn't trip just yet.
Right, yeah.
Because you see what I'm saying? They came.
Right back. Yeah.
Yeah. And then they came down even lower. It was only a few pips, but see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I was in it, and then I was like, dang.
Yeah, you ain't like how I kept. Yeah.
It was too much for me. I was like, you know what? Let's just get out and then look at it.
What did you get out at? Here? Around here somewhere?
Yeah, close to right there.
When it was, I could see how though, you know what I mean? And they gap, boom, or whatever they wanted to call this.
Right.
It's like they skipped over the whole tipping point, right? Bam.
Exactly. Like
came right into this one. I should let you know they playing. It's all good. Happens, man. It happens. They played the retrace on this already.
Yep.
All right, cool. Oh yeah. So Benji.
What's up?
Benji and I were talking about. We were talking about doing this challenge, right? And is everybody? Oh yeah. This is it, right? Starting inauguration day. Right? It's gonna be yeah, I gotta gather my what was it, Benji?
I got starting the inauguration day. We were discussing starting an account about $500, which I think is reasonable, nothing too big. And then I believe first off we wanted to do the 30-day thing. You
with the trades. Well, we trade. We're gonna take 3 to 5 trades a week and get y'all at about a 70-80 win percentage.
Yeah. And then from there, that's like in the short term, like 30-day month type challenge. And then from there, me and Darius talked about earlier, possibly taking the profits from that or whatever we want to do from that. And then just growing the profits over the long term, maybe for the next 6 months, the rest of the year, something like that. and just maybe aim for like certain percentages every week for that account.
How y'all feel about that?
That sounds cool.
Yeah, that sounds good.
You know, because we don't want to put like a specific number, and the reason being, it'll stress you out, and then y'all may like overtrade or you know what I'm saying. Go ahead.
Yeah, I think the key thing about this, guys, I feel like is to really hone in on our skills, make sure we work together as a group, you know, so we can really have some good success this year as a team.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna find now I'm gonna say this. It'll definitely be easier if y'all get comfortable with like US 30 and all that.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
After today and the screenshots y'all sending out, getting comfortable for real. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But that's what we're gonna work to, though. We're gonna build the accounts up, everything, to where we can take those trades and really make those calls. And then I already know we're gonna see a lot of profit this year as a team.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Sounds good.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm
Sounds
down
good.
with it. So we're starting off with 500.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, you gotta do some Ubers, whatever. Just have 500 by inauguration, man. We gonna flip it.
If you have more, it is okay. But we just doing that as a team thing, you know, to kind of balance out. But we're not telling.
We're not telling you what to do.
Yeah, if you have more and you like, hey, I'm ready to grow, that's fine. But we just doing that to keep it kind of involved, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it sounds good.
Good, let's get it.
Yeah.
There's we're gonna be on these find these trades, man. You ready?
Oh man, you know I'll be
Ready. But now we about to be on it though, man. I'm excited for this year.
Yeah,
It's not
you know,
good.
Yeah.
Inauguration there.
wait a minute. Is that the same? Oh no, they already doing it. So with that being,
Oh yeah, you want to show me your SP 500? I know you was talking about that earlier.
oh yeah.
We was
Oh yeah,
talking
you
about that
didn't
earlier.
see it. Yeah, that's right. So you see that, bro?
Mm-hmm.
I marked this up. I marked this 4 hour up. I mean, it could be a 1 hour, but I just made it that on the 4 hour because I was like, yeah, I saw that. So I went, found that. Then I found me a tipping point on 1 hour right here. See that?
Mm-hmm.
And because I saw how they were coming here, y'all see all that play coming here. And what they did was, I caught it when it was. I know when they first failed, it was. Yeah, I think I caught it when it was like right. I think it was like right. Actually, I drew it up. Yeah, actually, I drew it up when it was like up here. But I was like, I didn't, it wasn't. I didn't trade it before.
Yeah.
Like actually, remember we said we're gonna get our feet wet with it,
Mm-hmm.
and I just found my tipping points. This should have been a 5-minute structure right here. Let me see. Like a little. Oh, you see how far back I went? See this little structure right here?
Mm-hmm.
I drew this up, and they came out of it some, but I drew it up, and man, they blew past every time they hit a structure or a tipping point. They stalled, played around it, then blew past. Like they respect the tipping points a
Yeah.
lot, and then they came back to my structure here. Obviously, on the hourly, it looked more like efficient. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And they came right down like they were gonna drop. Really, they came to here, which I wasn't even counting this part, but they came. See that?
Yeah.
They came right back to previous price. That low for this structure, and then they got back into structure and played in a little bit perfectly. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it was pretty dope because I had drew this up and then it literally started going ham. Yep. So yeah, and they dropped 1,000 pips. And by the way, this straight up pips, y'all. This actually 1,095 pips. Like just straight up. Unlike with gold, how it'll be like it'll go based off of like let me go to gold.
Man, gold made a jump too.
Yeah, they did, man. And it's so messed up, man. I was like, yo, I should have
Man, me too, bro.
Man, yeah.
Me too, bro.
Look, and then I drew it perfectly right here. You see how old I drew this on the 30th, and that was my tipping point, man. Look at that. And that would have been a nice ride up, bro. But anyway, so how I was showing y'all on that. This looked like 4,400, but it's really 441.
Shit, still a lot of pips though.
No, it is. No, I was just saying, because if you say if you bet $10 a pip, you're not gonna get like 44,000.
Yeah.
You'll get 4,000.
Yeah.
Whereas on here, you bet whatever. Like you getting, if I bet $10 a pip, I'm getting what is that? $10,000. That would have been 10,000 instead of 1,000. That would have. Wait, am I counting right?
Are you good? I think.
Yeah, 10,000. Yeah, so many goddamn numbers. All right. So anyway, let's go and look at wait. See what's going on. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't see too much on that. Might be a nice little 15 right here, but it might not be. I'm just going to some of these Australian, New Zealand pass.
Your screen frozen.
Oh crap. Let's see. Yeah, I drew that T going up. They actually. That's pretty good.
I don't wanna miss it when it's
Wait a minute, man.
Anything go our way, please.
Oh, wait a minute. Actually, let me put this.
You told me you wouldn't give up.
Get it ready. Hyperbaric chamber.
What's that? It's an oxygen-rich environment. It allows more oxygen to get transported.
Buy some time,
Yes, do it. Do it. It's carried on the way. Christine, just that. Ow.
Let's see.
Well, it's fine. You know, they smell like they're yesterday. You know that? There are actually genetic markers that determine whether a bug likes to bite you. I have those markers. Which
Might start over on some of these things.
Yeah, I resetted a lot of my charts as well.
Yeah, it just kind of helped with fresh
Yeah.
perspective, and then it's like, I don't even know why. Why did I make this purple? I don't know. Mm. Oh what? Yeah, let me delete man. Let me delete man. So let's see. I guess that is why I use that one. All right, let me try this. I'm gonna try. Wait, I need to measure it out actually before I get to I think that was called. And then I use that. I use that. Now you can have a I guess we can see if this my bad, yeah. I'm trying to make this thing. Man, I ain't trying to force nothing. I'm trying to find something here. Let's see if we can find something. I mean, it looked like it's a good tipping point for sure. What y'all think?
Looks good.
Feel like they played on it, played within it, bounced off of it here. Yeah, it's pretty like all that, right? Right?
Yeah, looks pretty good.
And we could have used this one too. Yeah, so this is dope because we got something to correlate, right? And we can See about taking that and seeing how that may turn out. That is- yeah.
Give me a sec. I'll be right back.
All right. It's 4 hours. All right, so that's the 4. Yeah, that doesn't look bad at all, to be honest. Yeah. Really could have just made this 4 hour tipping point here. Even this comes here. Hold on, I'm trying to make sure I catch us good. Yeah, I may even use, let me see how this one. I may, we probably could use this one to avoid unnecessary activation. You know what I'm saying? Is this what? And just put it like 2 pips. $73.28. I'm gonna come back to that. I'm gonna add an alert one. I'm gonna create an alert for this one and see how they plan. But this looks dope, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That may be like continuation and they may come right back here. Bum. See how they plan. Yeah, for sure, for sure. So MTD, we'll come back to that. Actually, let me put it in just in case though. We can take it right. 73. 73.29. I mean, it's technically Tuesday over there now anyway. So we should be good. We should be good. And then you can just let it ride out. Definitely, I see this area here. I definitely see like like this area here being some kind of blockage. Like that. right up in here. Yeah. So maybe we can squeeze 16 before anything. So what is that at? So I'll make this alert. Shit, my computer gonna be beeping. Bing, bing, bing. Okay, cool. Y'all see that?
Yep.
Because for real, this closed like a continuation candle. And then they gave us that wick on the 4 hour. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And it wouldn't be foreign for them to come back to about right here, to about right, and start playing like they previously ranged around here. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we'll see what's up. How much we got on the day? Yeah, you have this. We'll see what's up. So we got the NZD, that CAD, NZDJPY, the USD CAD, and go to the Australian dollar. And we can even look at like GBP AUD and GBP NZD and all that good stuff. Okay, that's pretty dope. I had made I had turned this little thing right here into like a tipping point on the daily, like back. No, it probably was around this time, and they actually played on it. See that?
You're still showing the old screen.
Uh-oh. See that? Like I was just curious, right, to see if if dailies act like little tipping points too. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
On some stuff, and I just was like, let me drag it and see. I had did it like last week sometime, and they actually came to it. You see that? It's pretty dope. So keep that stuff in mind. However, I'm going to make this tipping point right here. Change this and this. Yeah, I bet you it's gonna do the damn thing. Yeah, exactly. All right, so we go back to the daily, see what's going on. Come back. Oh yeah, is that even like enough pills? It's probably not even enough. 17. Shit, let's see what's up. It definitely did the retrace already. Yep. They didn't do this one, but this might not really be much enough. Well, no, it is actually. Actually, it is. Let's see what's going on the hourly again. I mean, it's funny because for real, they already went up quite a nice amount. Let's see. Where it is. So, oh, I see what's going on. Wait, did we look at this already or no? That's continuation. Yeah, because that's a continuation too.
We had to because I had it marked up.
Wait, you said you have it marked up?
Yeah, so we had to look at it.
Yeah, keep your eyes on that and see how they playing that. And I'm just gonna tell y'all this one. I'm not gonna call this one out. You know, I'm gonna just tell you. Well, I guess in a sense I am calling it out, but y'all know what I'm saying. Put your tipping point right here. If y'all have it, it's at on the 4th, the only one on the hourly from the 4th of January. Well, yeah, that's third. Yeah. Man. Man. Whips. Okay, cool. Dope. Dope. Y'all got it?
Yep.
All right. So I got that, and there's a whipsaw on the 4 hour and this on the 4 hour. I will just watch it until it get to about 76.25. So put that in your notes. If you do decide to take it, definitely look at it up at, see how it handled to 76.25. Oh, let me write that on mine too. So that way I can track. I don't know if I'm necessarily take this one either. But if it gave us this continuation. They show like they gonna come down. Like why not? Why not? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Why not catch, whatever you can? I mean, you don't have to be desperate, but man. What up, E?
What's happening? Everybody good?
Yep.
So Julia.
Not much, Benji.
Man, let me put. Yes, I know what's up. All right. It's the same thing over here. Y'all see that? It's the same thing over here, man. Let's do it. It's set up the same. Y'all see it?
Yeah.
It's normally an indication. All right, let me stop reading these. Yeah, don't. Actually, yeah, this would be good to catch this coming down here too if it come back. See anything? See if I can catch- Man, this just might be one of these ones you ride from tipping point to tipping point.
That's what I was,
We shall see. Huh?
that's what I was looking at just now, like trying to see if that made sense to me.
Man, you got this one too, though. This one actually. I know what I'll do. Fix that. What I'll do to involve all of that, because sometimes you find where it's like goofy like that. I'm going to make this a this is basically it's lonesome. You know what I'm saying? In order to account for this one and this one. See what I'm saying? On the hourly, sometimes I go to the 4 hour and just find one. Because that, I mean, it's a few little wicks by it, but it's still by itself. And then you got a better picture. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now you can like look to catch that. You know, you'll have to watch it here because of this crap, you know. Of that hour. Yeah, you mean definitely look for it to stall here a little bit. So, uh, mm-hmm. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do this just to have a little reference point. Y'all know I'm big on those 15s, boy, because it lets you know when stuff gonna pause up for a minute. Because of that, and because of that. See that? Now you have. I mean, I'm not making it complicated. I'm giving you something to look at. So now we have an hourly of 15 and a 4 hour. See how they work together? One big family. And now, oh wait, let me see how. Well, here go a whole structure right here too. For real, for real. It's not quite big enough. It's not big enough, but you can still, I guess, kind of like keep an eye on it. You gotta like take it so serious. but it is in a structure. So let's do that. And not to mention, real. Or you can do 215. Just you can see how it hit when they come here. See how they handle. See if they showing they're gonna break, and see how it ride to here. You know, and obviously, if you see it's gonna go even further, just let it ride. You know, you don't always have to just go for 20 and 19 pips. It's just more for you to look at. But if you're gonna let it ride, like look at your trade and know it's gonna ride that way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because like even here, all this blockage here, it like if it's coming, it's gonna stop somewhere around here for a moment. You know what I mean? So yep. This one we can do actually see if we show they're going to the top. See that? Because basically it caught this little mini structure right here. See that little hourly right here? Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's basically what it did, but like the zones kind of suck on that. But you see what I'm getting at, right? It's
Mm-hmm.
still range in between that, and you see how it range in between right here. Like they visit this price point a lot, so whenever they do break, you have two areas to look for confirmation on. But once again, uh, this looks like continuation. So they may come down. Excuse me. They may come down, but like I said, it could go up too. So you have two areas to kind of look and see what they're doing. Let's go to the hourly. And then this wick right here, they still haven't actually did anything with it. So they could push. Oh, wait a minute. Everybody see this?
Yep.
If y'all want to see where I put the tipping points at, you can. Like, that's why I'm calling them out. And because some of these, I want y'all to kind of learn how to read the tape too a little bit so you can decide if you're going to wait to enter your trade, if you want to see a little bit more confirmation. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We'll have some we call straight out like we did already. And then it'll be some where like I'm gonna go over them and I would like to see how y'all like handle your entries and stuff and decide and what you see. Cause you know, and give me, you know, keep giving me some feedback or just the group in general feedback. And it's definitely good practice, you know what I'm saying? Because then you'll start seeing, oh, don't automatically put it, enter it right now. If I do enter it, this is one I need to watch a little bit more because they may activate it or whatever, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so go back. Wait a minute, this looks a little off. That looks good. Let me see, it was a big. All right. Let's see what we got here. That's pretty dope. That's definitely an hourly. Let's see some 4 hour is something from down here. Yeah, this is that ugly gap. Mm, 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 mm. Y'all good over there?
Yep.
What did y'all do for the holidays?
Stayed home.
Yeah, that's it.
What's next?
Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, man. Actually, just turn that into a structure. I think I lost my. Let me see. Yeah. See. Yeah, this is perfect actually. Let me see this one. And I guess we'll do these doubles here. Y'all see that? Kind of sucks. I think I'm gonna bring because that's kind of really a tipping point too. I'm just gonna stretch it out like that. And so now we have a structures and with a zone slash tipping point. So now, wow, it's a lot of confusing play here. But that looks like the range that's going on. We included. Okay, so that covers that from that 4 hour on the use. Okay, so cool. So this really wouldn't hurt. Um, once you get like real solid confirmation, especially like saying as they gave us this on the daily. It was rough. Let me double check and make sure. Yeah, it was kind of rough finding a 4 hour structure. I could have went 1, 2. Well, now that's on there. I could have used this. Well, yeah, I could have used this. Yeah, maybe I could have used that, but yeah, we'll look for confirmation on that too. See what they do. A lot of stuff. I mean, I keep my eye. I told y'all what I've been keeping my eye on, but I still practice drawing this stuff up, even if I don't take trades on certain currencies. I still draw them up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because like you don't know what you may come back to and be like, oh man, might not work out. Yeah, for real, for real. Let me actually pull this. This is real terms. And what's the hourly? Yeah, this is literally what I do, even on like the indexes and stuff, and on Bitcoin. You know, it gets kind of like boring and dead, but when you start looking a little bit deeper, you can kind of ride the momentum to certain places. And you'll see which ones. Yeah, I tell you what, yeah, just we'll look at those two trades and see what they do, how they do. Don't I mean it's only Tuesday. We ain't got to like force nothing.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like I know, I mean it'll be dope, you know, we can get on here, oh, let's do this, do this. But we're about to go back here and let me share this. Look at that, bro.
So the trade I took, right? I took last night.
Uh-huh.
The trade I took last night when it was going up.
Yeah, I'm listening to you.
I think around like 37.60 or something like that. And I said to take profit, and I was like, I'm going to bed, man. I'm not staying up late. And it hit, and then what? Like right after when that drop came, I didn't even see the drop. I knew it was gonna. First, I was looking at the 4 hour, and but it's good to see that I was. It's good to know that I was seeing it right. You know.
Yeah, you wanna? And you said you took one. You took a trade.
I took it. It went well. It was
What were you on again?
I was on the S&P.
You want to show what you did?
Do I have it up? I think I have it up.
You can walk us through the process.
Okay.
Hey, and y'all don't be afraid, to share ideas and crap, I knew I should have took that.
Yeah, sure.
God damn it. Man, I wanted to put that in too. Look at that. See that? It's a lot going on here. Don't get confused.
Was that big one?
Yeah, man. Yeah, like I catch little areas, man. I was catching pockets and windows.
Well,
Like
them
I was gonna
15s
take
is
this
hitting.
trade from here to here, and it's 70. So take off the last digit. It's 70. What was it? It's like 70, 77. It normally be like 6,900 spread or whatever. So after you do that, like this right here could have still like with 30, 40 cents. Like this is like a nice amount of a couple of dollars. You know what I'm saying? Because I traded it yesterday and I made. Remember that $50 I had showed y'all? Not the $180 one, but the $50 one. It was like from here, a little bit higher from here to here, off like 20 cents, I think it was. See what I'm saying?
Right.
Yes. I'm gonna delete some of this stuff after a while, but It's just go to show you how much I've been like, you know what I'm saying? Like I've been on this sucker, boy. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? Um, cleared the trade. I had another area set up from here to here, because believe it or not, this is a lot. That's that's uh that's put it like this. If I would have took it there, I would have been negative only because of the spread till about right there. But all the rest of that, which is a nice amount of pips, is profit. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So it looked like a monster, but it clears. Let's see how they hold this. So y'all can do that too. My bad. I know I was telling you to pull up that, but I saw this in the middle. You can still short it if you want.
Okay. All right.
15. This is what? Yeah. It's a 15 I had. Right. Oh no, I made this like a. This had to be. If I move this shit, I had to move it or something. That's it. Anyway. See how it's getting to that 15. It's supposed to be a tipping point, but it looked like it like I don't know if I'd be moving them by mistake or what. But you see how I got there and it's stalling out.
Uh-huh.
That's what I was telling y'all about. And then like they respect them. Like they get to where they get, like you see this? Like they get to where they gonna get to stall out, come back. Like they hit those points a lot. They may push though. I wouldn't be surprised if they come. Okay. But yeah, just this alone, you could have cleared something. Just for y'all info, if y'all haven't played on it yet. It's not that hard. But you do definitely gotta have your psychology in order. And definitely gotta money manage.
Yep.
And see, I would have just took right here and you see how they went. So those who wanted to would have got all this minus that minus this little chunk right here. It might not look like much, but it's a lot actually. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see it.
So look at that. Now they're here. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, 4 hours. Anybody had anything they wanted to show or go over anything?
Nope, not me.
I was just saying that the drop that happened, I didn't see it. So, but I did put a note saying that it was a drop, but I was just speculating. I didn't notice like on the S&P whether or not, like I knew it was whipsawing on the 4 hour and on the daily, and I didn't necessarily know if if it was gonna drop or not. But I was looking for that buy though. So when I got it, I was like, all right, you know, I knew I was confident because I saw it, but the drop.
So you got in on it?
I got in on the buy when it got up to like I was in 37.60 or 30, yeah, around there. And then I got
37.60.
I think so, yeah.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, like right in there, because it looked like it was gonna buy. It kept whipsawing, it was stalling out for a while, and got right in at right after. Yeah.
So and this you caught a buy here?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That's dope. What made you do it?
I saw on the 4 hour it was whipsawing and
Well, here.
Yeah. And then on where is it? On the 15, it was on the 15 it kept all of those looked like momentum candles. So I was like, okay, let me go on from there. Like right around, what's this? Right around 37.52. It looked like it was a momentum candles. So
right here.
Yeah, right over there. And I was like, okay, I got it.
And you bought in right here pretty much.
Yeah.
Did you just hop in off the candles, or did you find like a tipping point, or did you
I found the tipping point right. Let me see, where is this at? Right by wait, where your screen? So you see where the like right around where the 19 is?
right here?
Yeah. I saw that, and so I put a line there, tipping point there, and right above it within that little structure there.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
You made this a tipping point?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's do that. 'Cause I actually did look at that too when I was drawing it, because it was by itself.
That looks very similar to a US 30 short.
What, this?
Yep, all that price action looks very similar.
It's funny because this doesn't look like much, but this is 30 pips. You see what I'm saying?
Wow.
Well, that's like 30 pips, right? Yeah. 3%. Yeah, no, it's 30. I traded. Yeah, I took I told you this one I put here for a mock trade. I took a mock trade down because I didn't. I told you I haven't played with. We was just talking about this. Even we talked Friday, and I was like, "Yo, let's start saying how to play the S&P 500, right?" And we was all like, "Yeah." And luckily today, I mean, it's not. I guess what I'm saying, it's not really hard. It's the same thing, because if you watching Yahoo Finance and all these Bloomberg and all the U.S. things are looking pretty sour. Blah blah blah. When this basically was a small crash, so you could have hopped in and rolled some of it for real. But I just didn't do it because I never traded it before, and I'm not like desperate, but I was smacking myself because, as you can see, I drew this here. I caught it. Remember I told y'all I caught it when it was crashing like up here somewhere.
Yeah.
And then it kept going. I pulled all this over and it just kept going. And I was like, man, but I mean, don't be afraid of it. I'm not. I just, I just learned to do that first. And I've learned that from just with gold. Like I hopped in, and let them hang on gold. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just made a habit of doing that. Yeah, that's pretty dope. Let's see. Mm. Mm. Actually, anybody else got anything? Look at this.
Bro, Bitcoin is going to keep pushing up. It's not coming down anytime soon. If it comes down, it's going to play within 15-minute ranges. But I don't think it's coming down anytime soon.
Yeah, look at that, bro.
Oh.
Jeez. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. That's wild.
That's why I put me some. I got me a bar. Let me see. I got my bar. I actually, man, this morning, I'm going to tell y'all, I feel like a knucklehead, but it was so volatile. Like even playing 50 cents, like I had me, like I hopped in. Let's see. I think I hopped in. Like I was here this morning. This morning I was here. And I called it only to like here, bro. And I made like $75. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I was like, you know what? I'm cool. Let me like whatever, But when they started closing like that, I got in again. I ain't talking about the first two I showed you. I'm talking about some more this morning. I got in again here, and then y'all want to hear something funny? I was trying to set my trailing stop loss. And I closed it by mistake. And as soon as I closed it, look, I told y'all they respect these tipping points too. Soon as I closed, even this gray line, I can't remember why the hell I put it here, but you see how they respected that. I saw something on the 5-minute, and instead of marking multiple, instead of making a million tipping points, which I already have hundreds of them, as you can see. I just put a line, but I hit trail and stop, and I closed it by mistake. And as soon as I did that, at first I was like, no, because I thought they were about to make the push here because of all this. You see this? And as soon as I closed it, they did all this, and I was kind of like glad because hey, he'll tell you I'm notorious for doing the one button trade with my big thumbs.
Already.
Yeah, man, bro. Man, especially when I was with my daughter, man, one day she bumped my hand and it activated, man, and I lost $100 that quick. And I was so like, I wasn't mad. I was just like, man, come on, man. But I had went and got it back, but it was still like, man, like I had to like swallow that like it was just saliva, man, and just be like, whatever. That's not a lot of money, but it's a lot of money to be gone in like a few seconds. You know what I'm saying? Because I had meant that I wanted to hit a buy. Remember that? Yeah, I wanted to hit a buy on it, and then it hit the sell, and I was like, and they took off the other way. And it was on gold too, so you can imagine.
Yeah,
but yeah, man. And look, let me show you. That's why I say Bitcoin do a lot of. Look at that. See these doubles right here? Matter of fact, let me do this. Y'all see that?
Yeah.
That's why I'm just showing you why I put those lines, because they literally do that, bro. And then you can say, oh, yeah, I see them coming. Okay, you already, once you get past here, the rest of this is profit. And it may not seem like a lot, but you bet 50, 60, even $1, bro, you gonna like you can eat. You know, but be careful because in the same token, it snatched down. You could be in 50 cent and it snatched down right here, and you might be like negative 100, 150. You know what I'm saying?
Psychology better be in order for that, man. For
Yeah,
real.
yeah. And that's why this one marked up so good. But I think I got a order. Wait, where did I put my order? Let me make sure that motherfucker active. 33. Okay, yeah, I got my order actually for right here. 33,693. I might change that again. Yeah, I made it. Yeah, exactly. I put it. What I did started back doing for a while. I was like, the hell with it. But I started back putting my 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 practice trades with this is on here. What I showed y'all was my account, but I still been taking trades on here. Like it's some trades I took on here that I didn't take on my live account just to ensure, to build confidence. Then, but every trade I take on my live account, I do try to put here too.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
that way it's easy to follow, bro. You can step away from your live account, pull up your computer or whatever you want,
And
and if you got your trades mirroring each other, shit, you're good. That's what I did this morning, and
it helps, right?
It's still going. Yeah, it helps a lot. So I ain't got to always pick up my phone. I can be at my computer helping a customer or something. They can be talking to me. I can just switch screens real quick, multitask. Like, I'm good. I don't need to close this right now or whatever. So yeah, I'm letting that US 30 ride. I'm still in that US 30. I didn't put another position in earlier.
Oh, for real?
Doubled up.
Yeah, I definitely see them range in here. I'm gonna look some more later tonight and see like what Bloomberg and Yahoo doing, and I mean not Yahoo, what Yahoo News, like finance. Like I said, I don't know how to explain it to y'all to where, like, I'm not telling you to like put your heart and soul into every word they say, but the shit that they talk pretty much, you know what I'm saying? It's like, the stimulus bill, like they like I told you, they just sent out this. What was yesterday? What's today? Monday. So yesterday was what? Okay, so they opened back up the 3rd, right? Wait, they opened back up Sunday? Yes, they did at 1,700. Okay, so here you go. They range, came back in, and Monday morning for us, right? Monday morning. What time is this?
8 a.m. 8 a.m., right?
Is that coincidence, bro?
No.
So they bullshitted right here. Bullshitted. This is bullshit. We're gonna circle this as bullshit, right? This is the bullshit. I'm gonna just keep it real. That's the B S. You see what I'm saying? Oh yeah, we giving out these stimulus checks. Oh yeah, we finally passed the bill before the 1st. Oh yeah. Oh, psych. Wow. Right?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, the Dow was down 1,000 points. It's like y'all motherfuckers knew that was gonna happen. Like, stop playing, right? And now it's climbing. They may play around, and like E said, where you expecting them to go, E?
30, 60, 50. 30, no, it's 3650. I'm sorry. 30,650.
So basically, okay, what make you feel like that? I want to, pick your brain.
Impulsive move, bro. Everything that
Oh,
happened
you
from this
saying you think
morning.
they gonna impulse back up to that?
Yeah, I mean they did it last week. They did it last week on Thursday. So Monday I was looking at it. Saw position, took it. You know what I mean, and it just kept shooting up, 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 up. It ranged for a little bit. Before it shot up. So it ranged a little bit. We looked at it at work or whatever. Like, okay. They did their impulsive move, like Nemo was talking about. Noticed that.
Right.
Ride the impulse back up. You know what I mean? So I paid attention to where they actually, let's say they did a little fake out or whatever. They brought price back up a little bit, closed it with what we would call a continuation candle, and shot down immediately. Just kept shooting. So an area that I think they would give that to, 30,650, is just enough to where they can shoot up to, make their move, range a little bit, and probably go the other direction.
So you think they're gonna come back up this way, range, and shoot back down?
Yeah, they may have to do that because it's going to be somewhat of another. It's not going to be a big impulsive move, but once they get to that point where they want to shoot back up, it will be an impulsive move. Because look, hold it right there. I'm
Didn't
show you what I'm
clear
talking
anything?
about. No,
because they back into a price range right here.
Yep. And so here's what I'm talking about. Let's see, where was that at? So I took something, maybe let's say it was definitely in this right here. Once they were ranging, right, as you see, range. And once they got to the end of that structure, whatever happened, they ranged, and then they said, "Whoop," came up, "Whoop," hit the price that I thought it would get to, ranged again, as you see, ranged again,
impulse,
came up, did the same good, impulse, range, another impulse, and I'm talking about it shot down into more of my structures, my little. I have whipsaw zones, whipsaw zones, 15-minute structures, all that.
So they basically
thing.
revisit.
Yeah, and I'm just reading the price action on it.
Word. So do you find that it's following like the candles, like momentum candles and wicks and all that?
No, I see more so as the smaller structures. I play within. They play within those a lot. And then if it has a big impulsive move, we already know impulsive moves have to correct themselves. So once it does that, once it gets to a point, remember how I was telling you, watch those two candles or so, that watch where they act like they're shooting down and they bring price all the way back up and close with like maybe a whipsaw, or they have two candles simultaneously back to back that look like impulsive candles. Once they get to a level that they respect, that's an indicator to take your buy or take your sell.
So would you say like okay, so what time frame I need to go to?
I've been looking at the 15 and the hour.
Okay, so let me go to the hour first. Okay, so would you say this is an indication?
So this right here, that one right there is definitely one. Yep. Because they did all that push, and then they were like, all right, let's slow it up. And then they
so this
back.
Is a sign of reversal right here.
Yeah, it can be considered that way.
So basically, whenever you see dojis like that, that's a definite sign of
Definitely, yeah. With that much of a wick at the bottom of it, yeah.
And what would you look for? I mean, I know. Well, so you got in down here, right?
So if you go to the 15,
Yeah, you eating, son.
I'm getting fat.
Hey, share some of that turkey, baby.
Yeah, look, already. So what's it? Go to 15. All right. So down at the bottom, you see, see impulsive move. Yep. Came back a little bit, and they did
Yes,
those wicks. Although all three of those wicks right there, bro, at the
that was
bottom.
sign. Oh,
Yeah,
right
that
here,
was a
yeah.
sign. That was a sign. Bam. Range. Bam.
Wow.
Yeah, you're right. And they range with the wicks to the bottom. Bam.
It's kind of like a range.
So on the short term, they let you know when it's about to push. So you basically, after you watch this, right, bam, you watch them handle price here. And after you saw this, you said, I'm gonna stay in. And then
Oh yeah.
bam,
Oh
you
yeah.
watching this now. You know what? That's
And
what's up,
I'm
man.
cool, and I'm eating. And so anytime, bro, watch those wicks. The wicks tell the story, right? The
Yep.
wicks tell the story. You got what? How many wicks right there? 3.
Yeah, and then you got
3 wicks.
freaking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 6.
Yeah.
Wow.
And just in case y'all don't know, this is a lot of eats right here. Right?
Oh, yeah, it looks like. Jeez.
So we last week, Wednesday, we were like, price might get back to this range or like this area by Friday. It didn't wait till Friday. The very next day, it made its move.
So wait, so you mean what you talking about like today, y'all? I mean you said that yesterday?
No. Last week.
Oh, you was like last week y'all said by Friday this week it'll get here.
No, by Friday the same week. So we were looking at it last Monday, and we were in
and
a
thought it
trade.
would come here already.
No, not current price action. Previous.
Oh, my bad.
So, and go back to the right just a little bit.
All right.
So this
Yeah.
all this here. Yep. So I had a buy going somewhere, and I was like, all right, so yeah, it'll probably hit this area. So what happened is it waited to Thursday, and it did this move here.
This one.
Yep.
Now on this right here, what gave you indication to hop in?
So let me see. I was.
Do I need to go to the hourly?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Because the hourly probably looks a little bit different. Zoom in just a little bit. It's my screen. I'm using my iPhone. Okay, so let me mark. So mark this for me. What's up, dude? Ooh, not that. Right in here. So yeah, that came there, and then it made its little fake out move there, and it played within that range. So once it did that whipsaw there, I was like, all right, cool. Wait for it. It played again within, did another whipsaw, bam.
So you basically took a buy stop up here?
Yep. Wait for it to get to price action. And then I didn't pull my my 15-minute structure all the way over. I had to wait a little bit because I got busy around that time. So, but it did exactly what we thought it would do. So noticing all that prepared me for the move today.
Ah, that's what's up. Y'all hear that?
Yeah, that's so.
Yeah.
It's crazy. You were saying earlier that this looks like the S&P. It looks exactly like it.
Yeah, it looks exactly like S&P move.
Delete some of this shit. I only brought most of this over today to reference how it will fall. So yeah, here. It's pretty dope.
Candles and all, with the wicks at the bottom.
I think the only thing that S&P didn't do was gap a little bit.
Right.
After the time after market close for the day.
You're right, it does look the same right here.
Yeah.
It's creepy. Must be some guys making stuff happen up there, huh?
Already, bro.
Some assholes messing with something.
Yeah, man. So just pay attention to price action. You know, I've been watching this pretty heavily since like mid-December. It's the only thing I've been on. Wasn't focused too much on, you know, the major pairs, currency pairs. Wanted to test my psyche, you know, and you know, with the volatility of US 30. And, you know, plays out. Paying attention. I expect this move to be like a $600 move. Put it that way.
That'll be dope. That is dope because it already happened, bro. We're speaking it into existence.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, man. That's pretty dope. Yeah, y'all. So
then,
go ahead.
And then doubling up, going into, you know, at another position, getting a little bit greedy, but you know, the confidence is there, you know, within where the level I think is going to get to. Now, I think probably, you know, Wednesday or something, it'll probably drop range a little bit, but it might do the same thing it did last week, whereas it hit Thursday and it shot up, skyrocketed. And I'm like, what the heck happened, bro? I'm like, what the heck happened? It just went back to the area we thought it would go to, and that was it.
Bro, I didn't even realize it did this on the 21st. I didn't even peep that. Yo, this thing actually moves. This is the daily. Hey, this thing is. Yo, look at this. Yo, look at this. Oh yeah, this was March. So y'all know what this mean. If we get stuck in another COVID thing, look at this shit. If we get stuck in another, if too many people start sneezing on too many other people.
I'm sorry.
Bro, stop.
No, I'm just, you know, I gotta make light. I mean, hey, everybody start sneezing, so we can market make because it'll go down.
What's up?
We either got to do that or get everybody some Robitussin.
Hey, and you know, just to keep y'all your portfolio expanded, I've been getting a lot of signals about a cryptocurrency called Dogecoin, and I guess Dogecoin. Elon Musk, he made a little tweet about it, and it jumped like maybe to $1 or something like that, or 100 and something percent after his tweet about the cryptocurrency. So do the research, of course. Everybody do their own research, but I got a coworker that's heavy into like crypto, and he also trades and all that good stuff with us at work. So there's three of us that we kind of feed off each other, bounce ideas off each other while at work. But he put me on the Dogecoin, so it's under a penny right now. So let's say it gains momentum, It can be the next strongest cryptocurrency next to Bitcoin. Might not get, nowhere near Bitcoin's price right now. I mean, Bitcoin's trading at what, $32,000?
Yeah.
Ridiculous. But you get you some of that crypto. Let's say something happens. Money. There's money everywhere right now, and it's ridiculous.
Well, they aiming, bro. As you was talking, I'm looking. They're aiming to be the default crypto for merchant payments this year.
Whoa. It's called what coin?
Doge.
Yeah, like Dogecoin. It almost looked like Dodge without the D.
Yeah.
Doge.
So DOGE is their ticker.
Yep, it saw a 125% increase.
Whoa.
You go, boy. That's what I'm talking about. You put us on something. As
Hey man, you got it.
always,
It's
we are
not it's not fair to be stingy. You know what I mean? It's not fair. There's no
Look at
need.
you, man. Look at you. That's what I'm talking
Resources.
about. Actually, hold on. Let me see something. I ain't gonna hold y'all too much long. Let me see. Let me pull this bad baby. I got coin. Any of y'all got coin market cap?
Mm-mm.
Oh, why the hell I like coin? See, that was a slow mo. Hold on. EOZ. Oh, you could trade it versus US dollar.
I would think so.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Wait a minute. Can I get on? I'm gonna see it. Ooh, look at that.
You see that? I think that's right around where Elon Musk was like, pay attention to this or look at this, and it says zoop zoop. Everybody looked at it.
Definitely. That exposure.
That exposure does wonders, and especially if Elon Musk is talking about it.
Ooh. That's serious.
Yeah. Wait, how old is this coin? Let me see. Oh, so this coin was just made this year. Well, the data available. Yo, okay, so we're gonna look into that. It looks
Been
like
here
it's
for a while.
huh?
It's been made for a while.
For real.
Yeah, I think it's
I wonder,
like 2012 or something like that.
I wonder why the data on it. You know what? You got me wanting to research why he even opened his mouth about it now.
Right. I was thinking the same thing. Like, why this man done talked about this?
Yeah, at first it was just like when they made the coin, it was just like a meme. Even the owner was like, "Oh, yeah, it's just a meme." But then people actually started
You
using
know
it.
what? Go ahead. I can say why after we take some trades, man, we can definitely we're a financial group too, man. We can see what's up, Okay, I see what you're talking about. Shut up. Oh, wait a minute. It shot up and wait, what did I just do? Guys, coin, market cap. It's number 30 on coin. Well, obviously, because it got pushed. But you can buy it on Binance. I think Binance US, because Binance stopped taking US people, right?
I'm not sure. I bought about 1,400 worth today at work off of Robinhood.
Oh, you bought it on Robinhood? Hey,
Yep.
do you know if they have that V chain Danny was talking about?
They do not. I looked at it and they do not have that.
Cause I saw some stuff on that too. Yeah, I encourage y'all too, man. Actually, we all encourage each other, like how he just called that out. Danny called out that. Man, go take like $10. Go take your Chick-fil-A money or whatever y'all got in the UK, and throw, I'm being serious, right? And because it's our perspective, and like put $5, $10 here on these penny coins. I mean, because even if they don't hit, are you really gonna miss those $5, $10?
Yeah, for real. You're right. Yeah.
But then in the long run, imagine it go from a penny to 50 cent, or from like Bitcoin was what, that shit was like 10 cents at one point, right?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like dudes was losing their hair over Bitcoin in the first years, and now they can afford a whole new transplant. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So it's like it's perspective, baby. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like, I mean, definitely that was a rare wave. I'm not saying, it'll be another Bitcoin, but like, don't be afraid to put your little extra monies on something like that. You know what I mean?
What you think about this Tron
The who?
Tron coin? I think it's called Tron or
You're
something.
right. Can you be quiet for a moment? Thank you. My daughter over there talking. Uh, you said what I think about the what now?
Called Tron. I think TRX.
I think TR. I'm seeing TRX.
Nice.
I think I've seen that before. We can look at it. It's one in that was 2 cents, 30, 3 cents. Let's see. What number is it? Number 17. Let's see what they. I want to find that news. Trying to see. Man, I've been on this thing multiple times. Trying to pull up the sec. Let me see. Oh, here we go. I know I was
Both my positions are in profit for US 30. So if anybody's interested, obviously go back to US 30, mark it up, get you a 15-minute structure. You know what I mean? But I just have a lot of confidence of it going to 30,650, just because it was big. I mean, if you were paying attention to price action today, that 4-hour candle was ginormous. So
Let me go back
by
real
the by the time it started to close, it 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 always, like, US 30 will make a big move, and then before it closes, it'll probably pull back on itself. It's crazy how it just does that, but I've noticed that a lot with the daily candles as well. So
So you saying
that's
like right here, like right here,
yeah, that's 4 hour.
this one.
Yep. Mm-hmm. That was
So
a
they came
large
and then
candle.
they
Yep.
and now they and that was the sign of the reversal back to this direction.
Mm-hmm.
So kind of like how they did right here,
Yep.
and kind of like how they do here. I see what you're saying. Exactly what you're saying, man. You actually got me thinking about catching it out the top of this structure, because this is a whipsaw right here. Hmm. My man. Yeah, I'm gonna actually, when we get off, I'm gonna we'll look at it some more, and then we'll share in a text. Hold on, let me look at this real quick for y'all too. I don't want that kind of news. I remember they used to give news. Yeah, this news is weird. I remember they would give news by the developers of the coin would talk about like. Didn't they used to do that a lot more on here? Like they talk about what the developers of the coin, like they had like digital oil. Oh, wait a minute, is that what this was? Hey, Michael, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
You the one said that, right, about Tron?
Mhm.
Huh?
Yeah, yeah.
I think, man, I think this might be. I think I did see this where they was like, Yeah, I think I did see this. I didn't see too much on this. Hmm. Yeah, y'all go look back up on this. I think I remember saying something about this when I saw the word oil. I remember saying they associated those two, but I can't find I thought it'd be like some new. Normally, I remember with the old coin market, like when Bitcoin was first making that big jump to 20,000, like back in 2017. I remember you can go on here and damn near find the mission statement. You probably still can, but I don't see it off the top. You know what I'm talking about?
I think so.
Yeah, like you used to be able to find out why they made the coin. It would tell you the purpose of the coin on here and all that stuff. Like it was I want to say it was a little bit different. Like when you went to news and stuff. Like when I went to Ethereum and went to news, you'll see where Dietrich, whatever the dude, well, he's a man now, but he's a young man. He was a boy at the time though. He was like 17, 18 at the time. You can see where when they were getting ready to split the coin, all this different stuff, it'll show up here. So probably still does though. Discussion. Oh wait a minute, this might be something too. Just taking. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, y'all look at some of this stuff. We'll look at US 30. Do anybody remember the trades we put in?
We put UCAD, and then we put NSG JPY.
See, look at this, look at this. Y'all see that?
Yep.
That's actually great. If they hold that and don't like activate here, that's actually great. If you get activated and it's like moving funny, just watch it. But this should be good right here. And what was the other one you said?
NSD JPY.
NSD or NZD?
NZD, my bad.
I was gonna say, what is
my bad,
NSD?
my bad.
Like you just created a whole currency. No, I'm just messing around. I'm just messing around. Wait, was this on the table? Did we put this on the table? I think we might have. Actually, this would be dope too.
Which one?
NZD. Hold on, let me share. My bad. NZD Swiss franc. The way it's panning out. Man, listen, y'all don't hear all the different options y'all getting to like make some money.
Right.
Like I'm gonna tell y'all, like I said, like I'm not saying, this the best, some days were slow, some days were fast, we're gonna keep the energy going. But when we were getting our resources, we didn't have this, you know what I'm saying? We pushed each other to do this. And y'all part of that, you know what I'm saying,
True.
with us, with each other. So shit, should enjoy this ride,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Like I'm telling y'all some real truth.
Yeah. Y'all get ready for these challenges too, man, because it's gonna be great. It's gonna be self challenges, challenge yourself to push yourself to become that trader that you want to become. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we're definitely pushing each other for that goal. So that's why I sent out in the chat earlier today what my goal was and why I'm being so aggressive. I mean, I've been in here I want to say since early 2017, and stuff's really starting to click now. So I mean, this group has helped a lot. Been working with Darius, he's helped a lot. Benji, he's helped a lot. So just having that support system does wonders. My confidence has never been to the point it's at now, ever. Message.
Yeah, so it's just it's dope because like I said, and I'm gonna keep repeating this, we not really a signals group. You know, you got groups where you can get signals, but like we just showing y'all pretty much, and y'all, you know, showing us how y'all moving, of how you can play all these different markets. So your horizons, you know, I haven't been giving many motivational speeches lately. You know, I'm human, you know, um, but it's just, you know, I keep it real across the board, and I'm gonna tell y'all, man, like, do not, do not quit. Like, talk, call, ask, speak. Like, this is not my session. Do not call it my session. This is not, you know, I know my name gets brought up a lot, but I don't really like that shit. Like, I like helping y'all, but I'm like, we you know what I'm saying? We a family, man, and like, don't just look to me like, oh yeah, you know, look to me like, you know, brother, and hey, let's do this, let's do this. And if you have ideas like, hey, Darius, what about this? Can we look at this? Ask that stuff, man. You know,
Yeah.
people watching this on YouTube, if you know, if you are watching it, type a question or whatever, you know what I mean? Um, it's whatever, you know what I'm saying? This is what we do and how we do it. And I don't know if any of y'all have done like practice trade. I mean, well, that's a stupid thing to say. I know y'all have, but I'm saying I don't know like if y'all made money or what's really going on, but trade more on your practice account. Trade more on your practice unless y'all like get it. You know, everybody might not be saying everything. And if you want to speak individually, whatever, you know, you can hit us up, me or E or Benji. But definitely take your time because you know, and I'm glad Nemo sent that out because he right, one good trade can set you up better than 6 or 7 or 8 shitty trades. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna do that challenge for sure, right? So that's not why I'm saying that, but I'm just saying like, you know, the sky is the limit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It really is.
Did we
It really is.
you said anything for AUDJPY?
AUDJPY. Wait a minute. I thought I did, didn't I? I did say something, right? Oh yeah. Remember I said if we see remember I had put this one here and said if you see prices gonna go up, you can also take it up too.
Okay.
I didn't remember because I put this one at first and was like, we can ride it here,
Oh, that's right.
here. But then I was like, because they range in here, and then I saw this wick. If you do see it's going up, I mean, it's 30 something minutes left. And then this is cool too, because you may get to see them. Because, and I'm going to just fly straight with you. Sometimes you'll be thinking, and we'll go over some stuff, and you may see where they are already. Oh man, they might have activated us. What you do is you don't panic. If they come here, okay, I'm gonna, you know what? This is cool. We can do this. Okay, say for example, right? And this, and they come here before y'all say, "Oh man, I might have would have took that." Whatever.
You're still on the old chart.
Hold on, let me see. Wait, what am I? AD chat. So don't. Oh, here we go. All right, so cool. Okay, so say they come here, right? But they do something goofy like throw a wick right here. What would y'all do? Say you haven't gotten the trade yet, but you looking for another place. What would you do?
So if they throw the wick, I'd probably still just watch
Right.
and see if the momentum takes it down to the other tipping point we have in the bottom.
Okay, but what if they come here, play right here, and then throw like a MC, like right? Sorry for the crappy drawing, but throw like an MC right here. What would you? Oh, this is just a random quiz. What would you do?
The momentum candle retest maybe first, and then probably to go up.
Okay, that's a good core. That's actually a right answer. But the other part I was looking for is this. I would move my tipping point.
Okay, because that's where they're starting out mostly. Okay.
And now you have a new area to take. See that?
Right.
I know we never actually went over that, but that's what you do. Like, say you thinking, oh man, they would have reactivated our order, and you see where they went past where we might have put a possible entry at. I'll freak out and be like, oh shit, don't lose your brain. Find the tipping point, and if you don't see one on the hourly, go to the 15 and be like, okay, what's the best possible place I can put another tipping point to get myself out of trouble, but still ride this and catch enough pips. And that's the thinking you just gotta have. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah.
Yep.
Makes sense.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm glad we went over that because I know we probably never really directly hit up on that. So keep that in mind. Like if you do miss an opportunity, and it does happen. Like I've missed plenty of them that I've been talking through and saying, hey, so we're gonna do this and take this, and then boom, it happened. Just reset and do what I was just saying, and you'll be good. So everybody cool?
Cool.
Cool.
So I'm going to ask this of everybody who plan on coming tomorrow. Find a random pair. We're gonna look at the SPX and three, and I mean in the US 30, and we'll see what Bitcoin doing. But the second half, everybody find like a random pair. Think about the market. I want y'all to do something. I want you to think about the time frame. So if y'all want to find something in London or GBP or Paris or whatever, for those of y'all over that way, that's fine. Whatever you want to find, whatever session you thinking it may happen. Like I wanna see your thinking. I want you to tie all that in together, and I want you to talk us through it. You know what I mean? So like if you decide you want to show Australian pairs and we on doing an Australian session, just kind of do say, well, go through the motions and tell me why you want to take it so we can go through the full thing. Sound like a deal?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so that's what we'll do, and we'll keep it cool and interesting, man. Everybody engaged, you know what I mean? We're family, man. I hear somebody eating some chips or something, like be comfortable, whatever, and tell us what's up. So deal?
Deal.
Yeah.
All right, cool. I will see y'all tomorrow if there's nothing else.
All right.